आज मैंने दिखाने वाला हूँ how to multi-stream to different platforms right from your OBS without having to pay a single penny extra to a third-party service like Restream.io. मतलब यूज कर सकते if you're having enough money, but मेरे पास तो नहीं है तो OBS से करना ही पड़ेगा. Anyways, before we get started, the basic prerequisite for this video is आपको एटलीस्ट एक स्ट्रीमिंग प्लेटफॉर्म पे स्ट्रीम करना आना ही चाहिए. Maybe you must be streaming on Twitch, maybe you must be streaming on YouTube, Router, Loco, whatever. You have to know how to stream to one particular platform. With that said, let's begin. In order to multi-stream, आपको जरूरत पड़ेगा एक OBS plugin that is called ATM Multi-Stream. You can download that from the link in description, and once you're here, just click on download multi for free. It'll download an exe file and install a file. Just wait for it to download and you'll have it here. Once the exe file is downloaded, just run it, install the plugin. Just like how you run your basic installation, next, wherever your OBS is installed kar lo. मैं already कर लिया, that is why I'm not doing it again. So plugin installation होने के बाद, you have to restart your OBS, and when you open your OBS once again, you will find a new tab that is called ATM Multi-Stream. अभी ये नहीं दिख रहा आपको OBS में, do not worry, just go to docs and check the OBS Multi-Stream thingy. That will get your doc open. So before we get started, before we jump into actual setting up multi-stream, आपको base stream तो set करना ही पड़ेगा, which is very simple. You just have to go to settings, go to stream, and you can set up your base stream. अभी you can stream to YouTube, you can stream to Twitch. I have chosen Twitch because Twitch मेरा primary streaming platform है, and this will also give me an additional benefit or advantage in the future. I will tell that to you later. Anyways, if your base stream is just Twitch, just follow along. Twitch login kar lo, everything is set, and now you have to click on settings, and from here you can set up your multiple streams. You can click on add output, and these are the different platforms you can stream to, and you can also stream to other services if you're having your stream key, right? But before doing that, I have to tell you how multi-streaming works. Only if you know this, आपको आगे चलना बहुत easy हो जाएगा. Sorry if my Hindi is bad. So multi-streaming works in two different ways. I'll give you the pros and cons of both the ways, and you can choose which method you want to follow. So the first way is encoding your stream as per your primary streaming platform. In my case, it is Twitch. So Twitch will allow you up to 8000 kbps. So mera stream 8000 kbps pe encode hoga, and it will upload to Twitch, YouTube, and everywhere else, right? And now the pros and cons. Pros is your PC resources are being used exactly the same amount as much as they use it for single streaming, but your internet is being used much because wo videos upload ho raha hai. But as long as you're having 100 Mbps upload and download speeds, it's not a big problem. And the con is your stream might not look the best on every platform. Twitch mein 8000 kbps ka encoded video is crystal clear, but it might not look the same when it comes to YouTube, because YouTube ka highest quality is somewhere around 30 to 40,000 or maybe 50,000 kbps, correct? But it is decent. It's not that it's not enjoyable. It will be decent, but it's not the highest quality. The second method is encoding your stream multiple times with respect to the platform settings. Let's say Twitch allows me to encode at 8000 bitrate, while YouTube allows me to encode at 4000 bitrate. My GPU encodes two different videos and sends them to their respective platforms. And now the pros and cons. The pro in this is that your stream is going to look the best quality on all of the platforms. Let's say you're watching it on Twitch, your Twitch has 8000 kbps video, your YouTube has 50,000 kbps video, Loco and Router, whatever is their highest platform. You will have the best stream on all platforms. So you need to have a monstrous PC to support this. The con is that you are using a lot of resources, right? You're encoding 2 to 3 different videos at the same time. So it does put a lot of load on your system. If you are gaming and streaming from the same PC, then this might cause you frame drops and performance issues. So now that you know how multi-streaming actually works, you can skip to the relevant timestamp to see or to choose which method you want to follow. So let's start with method number 1. Before we get started, the basic thing is that you have to set up your stream, which we already did, and output as per your relevant platform, right? Once that is done, you will go to ATM Multi-Stream section, click on settings, add output, and here I want to add my YouTube as my parallel streaming platform, YouTube, and you just have to put your stream key here. Where do you get that from? You can just click on YouTube Creator Studio. It'll open up your Creator Studio and you can get the stream key. Point to be noted, you are supposed to have the default stream key for this one. I know if you're a YouTube streamer, you must be having multiple stream keys set up like I do. You can just click on the default one and make sure you copy that default stream key and paste it here. That's it. You're done. Now you can multi-stream. Just kidding. Just watch the whole video. Click on advanced settings here and this should say main encoder, and that's it. I will tell you what this means in a bit. And once you're done, in your ATM section, you find YouTube and Twitch. Now, there is a point to be noted. You cannot go live on your second platform without going live on your primary platform. In my case, the primary platform is Twitch. So I have to go live on Twitch first in order to go live on YouTube next, correct? I cannot go live on YouTube directly because I will have an error, that is, your primary stream is not active. Because what's happening here is that the video is being encoded as per your primary stream setting, and only then the encoded video is being sent to your secondary streaming platform. So primary ही चालू नहीं हुआ तो secondary में कहाँ से जाएगा? हैं? But once you go live on a Twitch, you can also go live on YouTube. So instead of clicking start streaming here, you just have to click start streaming here, and then here, boom, you're all set. Thanks for watching, if that's enough for you. Anyways, if you want the second method, here's how to do it. Let me just remove this one from the way. And now, yeah, even for the second method, you have to set up your primary streaming platform settings first. So just go to settings, make sure you are linked to your primary streaming platform, go to output, make sure the output settings are as per your primary streaming platform. And then we'll go to ATM multi-stream, click on settings, canvas, main canvas, click on add output, and here click on YouTube. And here you just have to put your YouTube stream key, which is available on your creator's dashboard. But keep in mind that you're supposed to use your default stream key for this one, because multi-streaming works the best on default stream key. If you want to experiment, try the different stream key with better settings, you can do it. I have never tried that, so I'm just going with default. Just copy, paste, create, done. Boom, you have your YouTube stream here. But before we proceed further, you have to make sure there is one more setting to be changed. Click on advanced settings and you will find video encoder as main encoder. Basically what main encoder means is that it is following the method number 1 to multi-stream, which is the single encoding times, right? So you have to click on that, click on your hardware encoding preference. This is mine, and you just click on whatever FPS you want to. Set up your all the settings as per your streaming platform. I believe YouTube accepts at 50,000. If you're streaming at 5K, whatever it is, just select whatever you want and then click OK, right? And now you are ready to go live on 2 different platforms. Now, and that's it, you're done. Your multi-stream setting is now ready. But before you go ahead and stream, you have to understand few things. Number 1 is you are not going to start streaming from here, right? Like how you regularly do. Instead, you have to start streaming from here. You just click on that button, you will go live. I don't want to go live now, so I'm not clicking that button. But yeah, if you click on that button, you'll go live on Twitch. If you click on this, you'll go live on YouTube. And that's it. You're live on 2 platforms now. Anyways, but before you go and stream on multiple platforms, there is one question that hits everybody's head. That is, how do you manage chats on 2 different platforms? How do you manage alerts on 2 different platforms? Like, let's say, how do you manage the subs from YouTube and follows from Twitch and subs from Twitch and super chats from YouTube? How do you bring all of these alerts in one place? That's boom. Very hectic. Not really. I'm going to make it very simple for you in the next video. So stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button for more such streaming tips and tricks. And this video is inspired from one of my favorite YouTubers, Nutty. And this is, you might call it stealing content. If you do, then I don't mind, but I'm just trying to make his content available for more regional people because he is an absolute god when it comes to streaming. I've been watching his videos since the past 3 to 5 years. Not 5, maybe 3. But yeah, cheers to you, man. Huge respect. And I'll be converting a lot of your videos. I'm sorry for that. I'm just making it available for regional audience.